Imagine building a simple website in a no-code tool, connecting it to an AI API. And within months, that side project is making tens of thousands of dollars, with over 700,000 users and thousands of paying subscribers. That is not theory. That is exactly what David Bressler did with his AI tool Excel Formula Bot, which later evolved into Formula Bot. This video, you are going to learn how David found the idea for Excel Formula Bot just by noticing a common Excel pain point, how he built the first version with no code and AI, spending almost nothing on development, how a single Reddit post and social virality exploded his traffic and forced him to turn on paid plans quickly, the numbers, users, MRR, and estimated profit from this AI wrapper, SaaS. Finally, concrete strategies you can use to build and monetize your own AI tools. Even if you are not a programmer, who is David and what problem did he see? David worked in analytics and used Excel heavily in his job. Just like millions of office workers around the world, he noticed something simple but powerful. Even experienced professionals constantly Googled Excel formulas, got stuck on VLOOKUP, index match, or complex nested formulas, and wasted time trying to translate business questions into spreadsheet logic. At the same time, AI models like those from OpenAI were getting very good at understanding natural language and generating text, including technical language like formulas. We connected these two dots. Huge global pain point. Hundreds of millions of Excel and Sheets users struggling with formulas. New capability, AI that could read a plain English request and produce a working formula in seconds. He realized there was no simple, dedicated AI product that just helps with Excel formulas in a user-friendly way. So he decided to become the first mover in that niche, building Excel Formula Bot with no code and AI. David is not a full-time software engineer and did not start with a large team. Instead of writing complex backend code, he chose a no-code web app builder, Bubble.io, to create the first version of Excel Formula Bot. The first product was extremely simple. One page with just an input box where the user types a question like, I want to sum all values greater than 100 in column B. A generate button and an output box that shows the Excel formula. No logins, no heavy UI, no complex onboarding, just pure utility. The backend, Bubble connected to the OpenAI API, sent the user's prompt and returned the formula generated by the model. Its fixed costs at the beginning were tiny. A Bubble plan around a few tens of dollars per month and a domain plus usage-based OpenAI API costs. This shows a key lesson for your viewers. In AIaaS, the real cost is not building the app. It's the API usage when you get traffic, so fast monetization is critical. The viral breakthrough, Reddit, Product Hunt, and TikTok. The story really took off when David started sharing the tool where Excel users hang out online. Key moments. He posted Excel Formula Bot in a Reddit community focused on Excel tips and productivity. And the post exploded with around 10,000 upvotes, sending a massive amount of organic traffic to his simple site. Because there were no paywalls or rate limits in the early days, user requests skyrocketed and his OpenAI usage bill suddenly jumped to several $1,000s. This API shock forced him to quickly add a subscription model and limits so the business could survive while still serving free users. He then launched on Product Hunt, where the tool again attracted strong interest and generated thousands of dollars of sales in a single day. A viral TikTok video from a large influencer showcasing the tool brought in thousands of new users overnight, without any paid ads from David. So, the growth loop was extremely useful niche tool, shared in the right communities, viral content by others doing free marketing. Conversion to paid once real value was proven, the numbers, users, revenue, and profit. Because Excel Formula Bot solved a universal problem, growth was fast. Public interviews and case studies reveal impressive metrics. Within a few months, the project reached over 1 million visitors and around $30,000 in revenue and several $1,000s in monthly recurring revenue. Later breakdowns show Excel Formula Bot, rebranded as Formula Bot, growing to hundreds of thousands of users, with over 10,000 paying subscribers and estimated total revenue in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, alongside six-figure total profit in roughly the first year. More recent reports talk about Formula Bot accumulating more than 750,000 users, around 5,000 active paying customers, and very high recurring revenue, turning it into a $1 million level AI no-code tool. Importantly, this was not built with a big engineering team. For most of the journey, David ran it solo or with small help from freelancers for specific tasks, while still having a job and family commitments. That makes this story very relatable for your viewers who want to build in their free time. How did he monetize and optimize? David used a freemium model. Free users could generate a limited number of formulas, which was enough to experience the magic and share it with others. Power users, analysts, finance professionals, students paid a monthly subscription for more formula generations, extra features, and priority access. He optimized revenue and cost by adding rate limits to control API usage and avoid surprise bills, gradually improving prompts and model usage so that answers were more accurate while using tokens efficiently, expanding the product from just formulas into additional features like explaining formulas, generating Google Sheets formulas, and helping with broader data tasks, increasing the value of subscriptions. He also used social listening. Whenever someone mentioned Excel formulas on social media, he joined the conversation, helped them, and subtly showcased his tool, bringing highly targeted traffic. Key lesson for your viewers. From David's journey, there are a few big takeaways your audience can apply directly. Pick a narrow, painful problem. David did not start with AI for everything. He attacked one very specific painful task, writing Excel formulas. Viewers can do the same by looking at a tool everyone around them struggles with, a repetitive task they or colleagues complain about daily. Use no-code plus AI instead of big engineering. He used Bubble.io and the OpenAI API, which meant faster time to market, lower initial cost, ability to iterate based on user feedback, instead of building a huge product first. Launch early, then let users market it. The first version was ugly but useful, and launching early allowed virality to happen organically. Your viewers don't need a perfect UI. They need a working solution and a share button, how viewers can earn with AI. Now connect this to your audience directly. Here are concrete ways they can build their own Excel formula bot style AI income streams. 1. Niche AI assistance for specific tools. Viewers can copy the formula, choose a widely used tool, Excel, Google Sheets, PowerPoint, Notion, Jira, Shopify, HubSpot. Identify one painful workflow in that tool. Writing formulas, crafting emails, writing product descriptions, generating reports. Build a simple web interface with a no-code tool like Bubble, Softer, or Webflow, plus a backend automation with tools like Make, Zapier, or N8N, and connect to an AI API. Monetization, freemium, small free usage, then paid plans. Team pricing for companies that want multiple users. 2. AI-powered internal tools for businesses. Instead of a public SaaS, viewers can build AI automations for companies. An AI bot that drafts customer replies based on past email history. An AI agent that summarizes sales calls or support tickets for managers. Artificial intelligence dashboards that convert plain language queries into SQL queries and charts. Revenue models, one-time setup fee plus a small monthly retainer. Done for you, AI upgrade package for small businesses in a niche. 3rd, productized services using AI. Viewers who don't want to maintain a full SaaS can still earn by selling services powered by AI. For Excel automation packages, where they use tools like FormulaBot, GPT, and macros to clean and automate client spreadsheets faster, charging for the result rather than hours. Sell custom templates or mini tools on marketplaces, using AI on the backend to make those templates smarter. 4. Content plus tool combo. David benefited massively from others making content about his tool. Viewers can flip this, create useful AI tool in a niche, and simultaneously run a YouTube channel, TikTok, or newsletter teaching that skill and showcasing the tool. Content drives traffic, traffic drives signups, and the product makes recurring income. 5. Start as a side project, then scale. A key psychological lesson from David's story is that he didn't quit everything on day one. He built Excel Formula Bot as a side project, slowly validated demand, then scaled and improved as money and users arrived.